I'm coming, I'm dancing. Who's that, honey? Who's that? Who's that? That big guy. Is he wrestling Pingu? Oh dear. Oh! You slipped. Good, I'm glad you're okay, honey. Slippy in your tights, isn't it? Do a different letter.
This one?
What letter is it? Push the letter. M's for Gunny. Mo! Who got you that? And there's Pingu from Auntie Val. You're such a lucky girl. Santa was so good. Haha.
How about the first button? How about the button?
Pingu push. Alright. Wow.
What letter you want, Pingu?
Which letter do you want, Pingu? Good stuff.
What's the button?
His flippers are a bit flippy, aren't they? You're helping though. Good girl.